Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Steve here. Hope you're all having a good day. Today I'm going to do a little blind unboxing. I made 2 orders, have 2 packages. I'm just going to open one and I'll open the second one next. I don't know which is which. I ordered a capture card, but not an Elgato, something cheap that I want to test and maybe review to see if it's worthy. And then I bought an attachment for my Sony a7 III. So I have a couple more hot shoes on top. So I don't know which is which, and we'll see right now. Before I get into the video, please like and subscribe below. Hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it. I love interacting with you guys and answering all your questions. All right. This is the Smallrig cold shoe. So this is what we're going to do today. This one I got from Amazon. I'll link it in the description below and I'll show a picture above. This is so, when I record with my a7 III, I usually have a monitor on top. And then I have no other, place to add my microphone. So I needed an attachment. That's what this will do. So let's open this up. It's back. All right. Okay. Another little bag from Smallrig. Okay. And here it is. You can see it. It's fairly simple device. All it does is, let me take my camera, where I would mount my microphone or my monitor, is I take the adapter and slide it on top like so, and then you'd have to secure it over here. But now I could put my monitor on top and my microphone on the side. And that's really simple, compact, and it's perfect actually. I don't need a full cage for this. It's just pretty much the top. And like I said, this is the Smallrig cold shoe mount adapter extension plate for the a7 III and the Sony a7R. It is $21.99, so it's not very expensive. If you're shooting vlogs like I am here, I'm currently using my M50 with my microphone on top. And this one has a flip out screen, so I don't need a monitor. The a7 III doesn't have a flip out screen, which is why I need the monitor on top, and I need the microphone also to be able to be attached, to be able to get some audio in there. And there you have it. That's simply the Smallrig cold shoe mount adapter extension plate. Like I said, it's for the Sony a7 III or the Sony a7R. It's $21.99 on Amazon. I actually bought it last night, and it arrived today because I'm a Prime member. Yep, that's that. Really cool. Fits perfect. Thanks guys for watching. Again, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Please. Truly appreciate it. Questions and comments below. Let me know what you'd like me to talk about. Let me know what you'd like me to review. And until next time, be safe. Have a good weekend. Later guys.